All right, so here we are looking at our new 90-60-40 Sienna kit. This was designed to fit on all the trim levels of the Sienna. This includes the Woodlands, which already has a lifted spring in it. And I'm going to go through the parts in this kit so you can understand what you're looking at here. On the front here, this is the front spacer. These are 2 inches tall and they lift at 2 inches. It's pretty straightforward. They're similar to other products we've made for years. The front will be lifted with these 2 front spacers, these 6 nuts, and then these sway bar links. These sway bar links are shorter than OVM. As we add height to the top of the strut, what we have to do is make the sway bar link shorter so it all fits together. In the rear, we've got quite a few more parts. So we've got the main spacer here, which is about 1.5 inches tall, which gives us 2 inches of the wheel by the time it's done being lifted. That's the bigger spacer. It fits on top of the spring mount. So on the Siennas, there's an unboltable spring mount. And what we do is we unbolt that spring mount, we bolt this on top, and then your bump stop is lined up in the correct position to hit where it always was. Everything's all the same, and it rides exactly the same as stock. There's no change in spring pressure, there's no roughness or anything else. Along with that, for the rear, is we have these rear shock bracket extensions. It's got a very flat mount, so we just have this nice little shock bracket that extends at 2 inches on the mount. And then here, these hoop-shaped things are the radius arm drop for the front. So with a multi-link rear end like the Sienna has, as you bring the rear wheel down, it swings down and pivots forward. And these 1-inch spacers, what they do is they stop some of that swinging forward. And if you look, this kit keeps the wheel nicely centered in the wheel well. And it comes with 4 new bolts because they need to be longer. Other little parts here are some brake line extender brackets that come with the bolts you need for it. And then that's everything you're going to have to get. So this will lift your Sienna van 2 inches in the front and 2 inches in the rear. If you have the Woodlands trim, it still fits your Woodlands. It doesn't impact the radar brakes or the radar cruise control or the lane keeping or anything else. And if you have the regular trims, you can use this with the extra height Woodland springs if you want. You'll have to buy the springs separately, but they are available from Toyota. If you have any other questions, just give us an email at sales@Traxda or call us at 888-660-5892.